gorilla stomping in a zoo. Check the vocals, animal is getting right. All I need more space, so give me more room. Rain in the sun, boy.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to talking about vector and bitmap.
Jag går upp i henne tron. Man got some PF in a suit. You've been hungry, that's why I came with a food. I got bust to learn.
In vector graphics, the file that results from a graphics artwork is created and saved as a sequence of vector statements. For example, instead of containing a bit in the file for each bit of line driving, a vector graphics file describes a series of points to be connected. One result is a much smaller file. At some point, a vector image is converted into a raster graphics image, which map bits directly to a display space. The vector image can be converted a raster image file prior to its display so that it can be ported between systems.
Man must stop acting a fool. You don't wanna get slow.
So, what are vector graphics? Vector graphics are mathematical equations that are used to draw out your designs, but the definition can get a little complex and is not really important. The best way to understand them is to see a comparison between vector graphics and traditional graphics. So, a traditional graphic would be a raster, so that's your JPEG, GIF, or PNG file format, whereas a vector graphic would be a PDF, an EPS, or an AI file format. So the difference is that a raster graphic is only as big as it's delivered to you. If you try to scale it up and make it bigger, it will pixelate. If you look at the difference between these two after I've blown them up, you can clearly see on the left that the raster version is getting pixelated and a little blurry, while on the right, where we use the vector version of the same graphic, it will always have crisp clean edges no matter how big I make it. As an example, photos are raster, so you're not able to scale them up like crazy without quality loss, whereas fonts or logos on the other hand are vector, so you can make them as big as you want. So the bottom line is that vector graphics are always superior to a raster graphic and they will be infinitely scalable. You can put them on a huge building or a billboard and they will never lose their quality. That's why whenever you get any graphics work done, like a logo design for example, be sure to always get the vector version delivered to you.
I don't care if a man is a big fool. You are just a shark in a swimming pool. Say nothing is the number one.
A graphics file format with the file extension of Bitmap or DIP. Used in Microsoft Windows and Bitmap image can be saved as either 4-bit, 9-bit, 16-bit or 24-bit, and save it as uncompressed image because of their larger file size when compared to other image formats. Bitmap and DIP images are not commonly used or recommended outside of the Microsoft Windows environment. If shown, the picture is an example of a bitmap image.
I see you forgotten boy. Let me put you back to the school. Your head is empty, I wanna make it full.